Hello everyone! Our next project is inspired from the penguin. First you have to trace down the penguin on this white sheet of the paper and you just have to cut down the cutting. Then with the help of the glue stick you just have to paste it over the black oval sheet like we have done here. Then add the further features like I am doing here. Next, we are going to show you how we can make a penguin. For this, I am taking this pink sheet of the paper and I am just making the cuttings like the ear, nose and the head area. With the help of the two shades of the pink, we are going to give it a contrast effect. This activity is very simple and best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Let's move further. Next, we are going to make a boat out of this blue sheet of the paper. This is very simple, and after that, we are going to add a bear over it. For the bear, I am making use of this black sheet, and then I am making the cuttings as shown on your screens. This activity is again very simple. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. This looks so cute and nice at the end. Just go for this one. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's so cool. Let's next try to make a simple snail. This is very simple and best suitable for the small kids between the age of 5 to 6. This is so cool and it's very less time consuming also. Thank you.